Hi, it's Richard Jackson at Maptek, and today we're going to help you simplify your geological modelling with Vulcan GeologyCore. This is the first of a series of instructional videos walking you through the process of loading, validating and domaining your geological data and how you can generate geological models. So if you'd like to simplify your modelling process, tune in and welcome to the workshop. Getting data into Vulcan GeologyCore is as simple as drag and drop. Whether it's a single file like this DXF surface or multiple files like these CSV files that all combine to form a single drill hole database. We can easily drag them in and set up the fields, units and desurvey method that applies to your data. If you have a lot of Vulcan files that you wish to use in your geological model, we've made it easy to bring these all in together with the Load Vulcan Data option. Common files useful for modelling such as legends, composites and drill holes are quickly loaded. And anytime we bring in drill holes, validation is automatically run, so check the report window for a breakdown of any data issues. Once you have your data loaded, you'll see it available in the Data Explorer, where you can load and unload objects. The Visibility Manager is also a quick way of hiding loaded objects, which can be brought up by the hotkey V. You can load the data into the active window or a new window with the right-click options, making it easy to compare different scenarios and data. Holding down the Alt key allows you to quickly enter navigation mode, where you can zoom, pan and rotate. Just hold down the Alt key while you use your mouse buttons and wheel. When not in navigation mode, you're in selection mode, and any action you apply to your data is based on what you have selected, either on screen or from the Data Explorer. To change the visualization of your drill holes, just select some or all holes and use the drill hole visualization option. Here we can either use a pre-saved visualization setting or quickly select the fields to color and label, with the legends automatically being matched by the field name. If no legend exists, they will be created automatically. Quick toggles are available to turn on or off visual display attributes such as labels and collar names without having to change your saved visualization specification. If you are currently working in Vulcan, you can quickly drag across objects from the Vulcan Data Explorer into your Vulcan GeologyCore window. You'll find useful viewing tools across the top toolbar of the 3D window. Options like Look from Top and Quick Section allow you to explore your data. And for more tips to get you started, do check out the Vulcan GeologyCore Help, where we have a quick start guide to help you get started on your modelling journey. In our next video, we're going to look at Vulcan data in more detail, with tips on how we can share data between the two interfaces and how to incorporate Vulcan GeologyCore into your modelling workflow. So if you're using Vulcan, make sure you tune into that, and we'll see you all next time in the GeologyCore workshop.